back. I waited 3 months to get some soil delivered because it's been raining constantly here in Thailand. But as you can see, I've got it delivered now. It came 2 days ago. So I've got this big pile of soil now to move into my raised beds, which I've made from these concrete cylinders called �𝐚𝐽𝐽 here in Thailand. And just to recap, if you haven't seen the previous videos from a long time ago, we've got 9 𝐿𝐼𝐽𝐽 here, which are going to be an assortment of citrus trees, and then we've got 4 more here, different size. These are wider and lower, and these are going to be our raised beds. So we're going to potatoes, sweet potatoes and herb gardens. So job now for this weekend is to move this big pile of soil and then mix it with lots of other organic material, and then plant some trees and plant my raised beds out. And as I said, it started raining about a week or so ago, and so we had the soil delivered, and then last night it rained all night. It must have been about 3 or 4 inches of rain last night, so it's going to be really heavy work. But it's overcast this morning. It's like 6:30 a.m. so chickens are scratching around, toiling the soil, so I'm going to get toiling as well, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Core body workout, out in the sun. If it comes out, I can see a bit of blue sky. It's actually perfect for me today. It's nice cloud cover, so not too hot, but it's early yet. It's only 8 a.m. So making good progress. So I'm pleased with things today so far. So how things go. What do you think, chickens? Huh? How do you reckon? Find anything to eat? Any breakfast? Oh, talking of breakfast, I actually don't break fast or have my breakfast till about 11. So I do intermittent fasting, IF. So I have a 8-hour window in only 24 hours to eat. So I usually eat between 11 and 7 p.m. So I used to have a breakfast 11ish, 11:30, and then my last meal of the day be probably 6, something like that. And the only thing I have in between is green teas and black teas and lots of water, and that's pretty much it. But that is it. And I started doing that because of the long-term health benefits, which I won't go into here. But also, I used to get up in the morning, take the dogs for a walk, sit down, breakfast, do my emails, blah, 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 blah. And before I knew it, I can get in the garden. It was like 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And then it's too hot out here in Thailand. So I thought I'd try this. And I've been doing it for maybe 2-3 months now. And it works fine for me. So I can get up. I only work at the farm at the weekends. The rest of the week I do other things, but at the weekends I can at least get up, and I can be out at first light, work until it gets too hot, and then 11 o'clock it's time for a good break, chill out for an hour or two, and eat and drink and be merry, pretty much. So that's me. So that's what I'm doing, part of my lifestyle here. Doing it all so I can work harder at my time of life. Crazy. A bit of hard work never did anyone any harm, so my old man used to say. And he's actually right. Got a lot of benefits out of it, and you feel a lot better for it. I feel a lot better from doing this at the weekends than sitting in front of a computer screen all week, pretty much, which is clean my back, my eyesight, and you get out in nature, and I just feel better. It's just the way it should be. It's just instinctively better. So try it. You'll see for yourself. Even just taking a dog for a walk in the morning in the countryside works wonders. So get away from those computer screens. I would highly recommend it. They're not good for you, and we're just slaves to them if we're not careful. Got to be aware of these things. Anyway, I'm going to find some more water. I'll put it down somewhere. There it is. Drink some more water and take 5-10 minutes out and then get back into it. So I'll catch you a little bit later on. Good morning. Well, yesterday I worked from 6 AM to 6 PM and it was getting dark, so I couldn't finish the video. So this morning I actually got everything done in one day, so it's good for me. I'm happy with that. I thought it was going to take me 2 days, planned for 2 days. So I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up now, and I've got lots of soil left actually. I've got twice as much soil that I needed. So over prepared for time and resources. Not to worry, put it to good use. I can bury some of these pipes and just make the place look a bit better. Get easy to get around with a wheelbarrow, things like that. And I'm sure there's a few holes I can find to fill in as well. So let me just give you a quick look of what we've done here. So I have, you can see these, I've got a wide angle lens on. I've got 4 beds there. So what I did, I built them like a hugelkulture. So at the bottom they've got lots of branches and sticks, all kinds of stuff. Then I put some sand in just for drainage, which obviously just falls through all the sticks and stones anyway. And then I've put the soil that I bought from that big pile over there, and then I put a bag of vermiculture, worm castings in each bed, and some cow manure, and that's about it so far. What I'm going to do this morning, I'm also going to put in some biochar. I've got some biochar, so I'm going to drop some of that in there as well, and then I'm going to cover it with a mulch of leaves. I've got like a big pile of leaves, good free resource on the farm. So I'm going to cover them with leaves, and then my chickens will come and scratch around and take everything off. So what I'm going to have to do, because yesterday there was around here all the time, so what I'm going to do is actually have to build a fence around here till I get the plants established, and then the chickens can come back in. So there we are. So here I'm going to plant citrus trees, 9 citrus trees, lemon, lime, kaffir lime, and some other things. I can't remember. I've got all the trees waiting to go, but I'm going to leave it a week or 2 just to let this soil get some life into it. I've got some compost here, so I'm going to pour in there as well, just to give it a kick start and get some good soil, get some life going. Same with these here. I'm going to do sweet potato potatoes, potato farang as they call them in Thailand, and then I'm going to have 2 herb gardens as well. So that's where we are. So I'm going to get cracking on that. The sun's coming up, as you can see, and I need to get some work done before it gets hot, because it's too hot to work. So I'll do some other chores when the sun comes up, and then get grab some breakfast. Okay, so the final update, I had to build a little fence around here with some shade cloth out hanging around, so it's a bit scrappy, but anyway, just keeping the chickens out for now. And got these raised beds planted out. I've actually added an extra one there. I had one kicking around, a small one, so I literally just planted that today, put it in there, planted it. Just got some cilantro, some mint, different kinds of mint, some chilies, just a few plants, adult plants kicking around in these. And this one I've got orange sweet potato and some potatoes. Over here we've got some yellow sweet potatoes, and over here we have the purple variety. So that's all my raised beds. I mean, that I just put up in a day, well, a few hours. So what I like about these concrete cylinders, these now, is you can get up a raised bed pretty damn quick, literally in a few hours in the morning. Site it, level it out, fill it. I did like a hugelkulture again, so the bottom's full of branches and sticks, stuff like that, then fill it with soil, and then lots of good soil on the top with some cow manure, and then I just really heavily mulched it with the last of the leaves I had kicking around in my leaf pile. But that is it. So it's raining here nice and gently, so everything's getting bedded in nicely. These actually put in last week. There's like a mixed herb bed. So we've got rosemary, we've got chilies, we've got mints, we've got eggplants, dill, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿. Yeah, there's a few other things in there as well. But anyway, so that's a mixed one. As I say, it's getting rained in a little bit, so saves me watering today. There's the chickens digging up what I planted yesterday. Good girls. So that's that. That's this shot. It's all finished. Okay, chickens, over to you. Look after it. I'm off home. Have a great weekend. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Where are we going?